Okay guys, we're doing the random for the 4-box break of cornerstones, random teams, 8, 17 and 9 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Doing participants first. Going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That one anymore. Team list. Going to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and teams are like this. Randoms complete. Just copy that. Team list. Read that. Glenn McCubbin with the Mavericks, Van with the Jazz, Stuart Sales, Rockets, Stephen with the Pelicans, Glenn Bow, Thunder, Stashman, Nets, Jake Harvey, Kings, Ian, Nan, Blazers, Van Houten, Bucks, Zach Nichols, Hawks, Timothy Price, Suns, Boyd Martin, Heat, Harry Pacers, Riley McCubbin, Bulls, Mason O'Dorman, Magic, Jamie with the Spurs, Jake Harvey with the Lakers, Mason O'Dorman with the Knicks, Boyd Martin with the Sixers, Chris Stewart with the Bulls, Trent Smith, Pistons, Tony Dunn, Warriors and Celtics, Ryan O'Dorman, Wizards, Stuart Sales, Clippers, Stephen with the Nuggets, and Nan with the Grizz, Irvine with the Raptors, Glenn Bow, Cavs, and Glenn McCubbin the Hornets. And that's the team list, and I'll be starting in about 10-15 minutes, so if you want to do any trades, get to it.